Hello everyone, welcome to Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we will learn how to design a water drop, or you can say water droplet. So first of all, take a rectangle and by clicking the shift and hold, we have a rectangle in exact shape. So increasing the stroke to 5 and then click on the rectangle, click on the shift button and then rotate this to 45 degree. So by using direct selection tool we will make a water droplet. So if you see that we have these nodes like this, we have 4 nodes. So for water droplet shape we need to click on this node and then by pressing shift and click on this node, and by pressing shift and click on this node, and then move these nodes in the center. So we have a water droplet. By adjusting some shapes or nodes, for example we will do align stroke to center. Now this is a round shape droplet. So for the next step we will took the arc tool, press the shift and hold like this and adjust a little bit. Okay, go to the stroke option and then click on the round cap. We have a perfect round shape droplet. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe the channel.